Gentlemen, let's talk about attraction. It's about that quiet confidence that draws people in, that effortless magnetism that makes you unforgettable. Let's break down how a Sigma male uses his natural presence and calculated moves to effortlessly intrigue a woman in any encounter. It all starts with your presence. A Sigma male doesn't to stand out, he's magnetic through his focus and composure. Imagine this, you're at a coffee shop engrossed in a book, you're not looking around, you're not trying to catch anyone's eye, you're completely immersed in your own world. Now think about how that looks to others. It conveys a sense of purpose, of self-sufficiency, of a man who's comfortable in his own skin. Whether you're reading, working, or simply observing your surroundings, your unbothered demeanor naturally draws attention. This isn't about being aloof or uninterested. Remember, the key is to appear deeply engaged in your world, not in hers. Eye contact is a powerful tool, gentlemen, and the Sigma male understands how to wield it with precision. It's your first connection, the initial spark that ignites interest, but it's not about staring her down or trying to hold her gaze for an uncomfortable amount of time. Imagine you're across the room from her. Make eye contact, a brief but intentional acknowledgement. Let a subtle smile play on your lips, then calmly return your focus to whatever you were doing. This balance between acknowledging her and maintaining your own focus is what sparks curiosity. It says, I'm not chasing, but I'm not closed off either. And trust me, that's incredibly alluring. Now let's talk about body language. Your body speaks volumes before you ever utter a word, gentlemen, and the Sigma male knows how to use his physical presence to create an unspoken invitation. Keep your posture open and relaxed. Don't cross your arms, don't fidget, don't shrink back, stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. This conveys confidence and approachability. You're not trying to corner her or make her feel pressured. Think of it this way, you're creating a welcoming atmosphere like a host at a party. This subtle openness is key to drawing her in. You're comfortable in your own skin, and that's incredibly attractive. Now, let's say she engages. Maybe she approaches you. Maybe you find yourselves side by side at the bar. This is where your words come into play, and the Sigma male chooses them carefully. Forget generic compliments. Any man can tell a woman she's beautiful. You want to stand out? Notice something specific, something that shows you're paying attention, that you see beyond the surface. Maybe it's her taste in music, her unique sense of style, or a particular turn of phrase she uses. The point is to be genuine, to show her that you're actually listening, that you see her for who she truly is. It's about making her feel seen and appreciated. A thoughtful compliment is like a well-aimed arrow. It hits its mark because it's tailored to her, because it shows that you're not just throwing out empty flattery, you're making a meaningful connection, you're offering a genuine observation, a spark of connection. This is what sets you apart and makes your interaction memorable. Now that you've got her attention, it's time to build on that initial spark. And the Sigma male knows that the key to a captivating conversation is intrigue. This isn't about dominating the conversation or trying to impress her with your knowledge. It's about creating a playful back and forth, a dynamic that keeps her engaged and wanting more. Think of it like a dance. You lead, you follow. You create a sense of rhythm and flow. Ask open-ended questions, share intriguing anecdotes, but don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. Leave some things unsaid, let her fill in the blanks. A little mystery goes a long way. Keep it light, keep it fun, and keep her wanting more. Now, gentlemen, here's a secret weapon: silence. In a world that's constantly buzzing with noise and distraction, a well-placed pause can be incredibly powerful. It's a tool that can shift the dynamics of any interaction. Don't be afraid to let the conversation breathe. Silence can be just as meaningful as words. A moment of silence, especially when paired with steady eye contact, can create a delicious tension that draws her in. It's a subtle yet powerful way to connect. It's in those quiet moments that the unspoken connection between you two can truly flourish. The silence speaks volumes. Think about it. You're sharing a look, a feeling, a moment in time that exists outside the realm of words. It's a shared experience that's deeply personal. It's intimate, it's electric, and it speaks volumes. The silence can be more powerful than any words you could say. Hold her gaze for a beat. Let the tension build. then break the silence with a calm, confident remark. This can make your words even more impactful. You'll find that the conversation flows even more effortlessly after a well-timed pause. It's a dance of words and silence. Finally, gentlemen, let's talk about the exit. This is a crucial part of any interaction that often gets overlooked. Knowing when and how to end an interaction is just as important as knowing how to start one. It's a skill that can leave a lasting impression. And the Sigma male understands the power of a controlled exit. It's about leaving a mark without overstaying your welcome. Leaving on your own terms shows confidence. It creates intrigue and it leaves her wanting more. It's a subtle art that speaks volumes. It's about ending the interaction on a high note while the energy is still buzzing before it has a chance to fizzle out. This ensures you remain memorable. Don't wait for the conversation to stall or for her to excuse herself. Take the initiative and control the narrative. Instead, find a natural breaking point and gracefully bow out. This shows that you value both your time and hers. You can say something like, "It's been great talking to you, but I have to get going." This leaves a positive note. Or, if you're feeling bold, you can be a little more playful. "I'm enjoying this conversation, but I don't want to monopolize your time." This adds a touch of charm. The key is to be confident, to be in control, and to leave her with a smile on her face and a lingering feeling of wanting more. This is the essence of a controlled exit. The Sigma male's electric pull isn't about effort, it's about precision. Every move is intentional, leaving her intrigued and captivated long after the encounter ends. It's about mastering the art of subtle attraction, of creating a connection that goes beyond words. It's about being comfortable in your own skin, about knowing your worth, and about letting your confidence speak for itself. Want to master the art of effortless attraction? It's time to embrace your inner Sigma. Join the Sigma Summit channel today and unlock the secrets to becoming the ultimate Sigma male.